Basically, last Friday I warned everyone about the dip. It was right here, and we dipped. We dipped and dipped and dipped and dipped. And the question is, am I interested in buying right here? And it really comes down to VWAP and money flow. And to be honest, we're buying some other stuff in Pengu. Not yet. We need VWAP. I'll write it down right here. The exact criteria I have. Let me just be very accurate with this. And by the way, this video is not financial advice. Waiting for VWAP plus MFI on the daily to curve up, or at least VWAP, and then we enter. Everything else is good. We still have longs that need to be flushed out, as you can see on the daily chart. Longs are still in control, they're not charged, and that's only for Pengu. Pengu's buyers are super loyal, but they will get liquidated. A lot of them will get liquidated if we week below 2.7. So a nice push below that would actually get us a nice flush below these levels. Basically, will get us what we need for the liquidity we need. We'll pull the liquidity we need for a move to the upside. That's basically the price prediction for Pengu. Let me know your thoughts. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. There's link in the description down below if you want to learn more from me. See you next video. Bye.